In a beautiful day, there was a small family living in a charming village surrounded by breathtaking nature. The father is a kind-hearted man, and the mother is a gentle and loving woman. They have 3 children, Ahmed, who is 10 years old, Lena, who is 8 years old, and the little boy Ali, who is 3 years old. They live in a lovely house surrounded by a garden full of flowers and green trees. Ahmed's family loves to travel and explore the world. They decided to spend their summer vacation on a trip to the mountains. The adventure was very exciting for Ahmed, Lena, and Ali, as they enjoyed walking in the stunning nature and seeing wild animals. They gathered around the fire in the evening and cooked food and roasted bread. They spent wonderful times together and felt joy and happiness.